so paint dried up. She's shy, trying to get out of the picture. Paint dried up, and we set the tub today. So we got the tub on the frame. That feels awesome. Pretty excited about that. So we're gonna grab the fenders, get the fenders bolted on, and we'll see what time it is. That might be good for tonight.
Good luck with this one.
All right, we're gonna call it a night. We got a little bit of a late start tonight. Then we had to run in to get some hardware, nuts and bolts. We got the tub mounted and bolted down. We've got the fenders mounted and bolted down. Pretty stoked about the way it's coming together and how it looks. Next thing we got to do is we got to put the hitch on, put the tongue stand on, then the lights and wiring. The lights that were on it when I got it, I think they're broke. I'm gonna have to take a look at them again, see if I'm gonna need to get replacements, and see what we're gonna go with there. But we're getting pretty close, pretty excited about it. Hopefully by next weekend, maybe it'll be usable. So stick around. Thanks for watching. I love you.